5-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, power steering, cloth seats, rear bench seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.